to talk about NLP. So, are you guys are ready? Let's get started. Okay. So, what does it mean by NLP? NLP means it's a natural language processing. Okay. So, in order to process this natural language, we need some toolkit, right? Right. So that is NLTK. That is Natural Language Toolkit. So what does it mean? It's a Python library. Okay, used for NLP task. Okay, so this NLTK provides tools, datasets, algorithms for handling and analyzing the human language data. Okay, so how we can able to use this NLTK? Okay, this we need the NLTK for processing the NLP task, right? Okay, so how we can able to install this NLTK? So for that we need to give pip install NLTK. Okay, pip install NLTK. I already installed. That's why I just comment it out. Okay, once you get installed this NLTK, you need to import that. Okay, so import NLTK and then we need to download everything like all the datasets, tools and algorithms, everything we need to download. So for that I have given nltk.download all. Okay, can we proceed? Okay, so first we will talk about tokenization. Okay, so consider an example. You have a data set and data set is full of tests. You need to process that test. Okay, after processing the test, you need to give to some machine learning algorithms like that. Okay, for that we need NLP. Okay, so first we have a data set. It contains test. We need to convert this test either into a sentence or word based upon our need. So in for that we are using tokenization. So what does it mean? Tokenization means it divide the test or split the test into sentence or words. Okay, for that we need to import from NLTK, we need to import tokenize. From that tokenize, it has that sentence underscore tokenize as well as the word underscore tokenize. Okay, so I have taken, you can see here, right, in the test variable, I have assigned some test. This I just taken from the Google, like about Calgary. I just Google it out and I just assign to a test. Okay, assign to a variable. After that, if I need to convert this test, convert or split the test into a sentence, I need to use sentence underscore tokenize. Okay, inside that sentence underscore tokenize function, I need to pass the test. Okay, so when it after that we will get a set of sentence. You can see here in the example, right? You can see this is a list of sentences. So in the list you can see here in the quotation you can see some sentence, right? Then comma, there's a list of sentence, comma, list of sentence. It's what it did, it splitted the text into sentence. Okay, that is sentence underscore tokenize. If we need to convert the text or split the text into words, what we need to do? We need to convert the text into set of words. For that we need word underscore tokenize. So that's why I have imported from nltk.tokenize import word underscore tokenize. So in the word underscore tokenize, I have passed the test. You know, right? I already talk about test since I just say random like test from the Google. I Google it out. There's a test. So I pass that. So you can see a set of words, right? You can see like in the list of words. So Calgary, and there's a comma, a. So uh, like that, a list of words you got. Okay, but do you think that all the words are necessary for you to pass to a machine learning algorithm? No, right? Okay, we need to remove something. Like, for example, I will talk about stop words. Okay, stop words means it's a common words like is, the, these all things we don't want actually. Okay, because it does not help passing to a machine learning algorithm. It will not help. But sometimes these stop words are necessary. So based upon the context, you need to take the you need to decide whether we need to remove the stop words or we need to keep the stop words. Okay, so in this context, I'm just removing the stop words. Okay, so I can see that the in, out, of, the, these are things I need to remove. Okay, so I'm just removing the stop words. For that, I need to import stop words. So from NLTK.corpus, I'm importing the stop words. Then stop words dot words in English. So that means what are the list of stop words from English language. So I am assigning to that into a stop underscore words. Okay. So after that, I'm just passing the for loop. What I'm doing, you know that there's a list of words. There's a list of words, right? It's assigned to a variable role words. If you see the type, it will be a list itself. Okay, so that words, I'm taking each word from that words, and after that I'm lowering it down. Then I'm checking whether that words are there in the stop words. If it is there, I'm not taking that. I don't want that. Okay, remaining words I'm taking. So after that, I'm assigning to filtered words, and you can get a output. You can see the output here, right? I'm printing out. So just check is what's the type. What's the type? It's a type. What is the type of the filtered words? It's a list. So we got a list of we got a list here. List of words with there is no without stop words. Okay. After that, you can see here there is a comma, quotations, and all. We don't want that one. Okay, so that will not help us. Okay, so we need to remove that. What we can do? I'm just assigning this set of comma, question mark, and all into a list. After that, I'm using the same like I'm using the same for loop. In that I'm passing filtered words. You can see filtered words means the above result is the filtered words. Each word I'm taking and I'm checking if that word is there in the punctuation underscore remove list. If it is there, I don't want that. Okay, so I'm removing that one, and remaining things I'm printing out. So I got a clean test. You can see here, right? Okay, it's a clean test. Okay, so these words will help us. Okay, so we get a clean test. What we need to do next? Next, we can, based upon our context, we can use stemming, lemmatization, after that count vectorization. So these all things I will explain in the next video. Okay, if you guys like the video, please subscribe and like, and also comment. If you have any doubt, just comment down. Okay, I will answer. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.